So now let's talk about different manufacturers of thyroid hormone replacement and how that might impact your thyroid hormone potency. And so here's how it works. There are multiple manufacturers of thyroid hormone. Some of them are branded thyroid hormone. If you're talking about T4 products, the branded products would include Synthroid, Unithroid. There are a few others. And then if you're talking about the generic, they're all called levothyroxine, and you don't know exactly the specifics other than they are T4, okay? Here's the deal. We're treating people with thyroid hormone. We want to be sure that the thyroid hormone replacement has what's called a Narrow Therapeutic Index. What does that mean? It means that it's not a very big distance between what is a normal thyroid level and what is an abnormal thyroid level, which is why when you test blood tests, you see that it goes into the, as my patients say to me, into the red zone sometime, outside of the green. And so that's not much different. And so we're constantly trying to make sure that those levels are in that green zone. And the way we do that is by being consistent with our thyroid hormone. And consistency means consistency in the medication itself. So how do we know that it's consistent? Well, if you're using a brand, and there are a couple of different brands, if you use one of those brands consistently, then because the brand is manufactured by one particular company and that company has their own potency associated with a certain dosage, that dosage may be consistent all the way through. So that's one way of maintaining the consistency, is by sticking with one brand.